Hi guys, greetings from FM Technology. Okay, welcome to another segment of this tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can create a banner. Okay, this is a banner. I downloaded it from Google Direct. So I will show you how we can make something similar to this. Sorry, something similar to this. Okay, so just sit back and let's kick off. Let's kick off. Okay, so now looking at this, you can see the shape. The shape is not this normal shape the background has. So now we are going to the image size. Now we are going to the image size and resize it to this shape. Now you understand, so that we can get exactly what we want. Okay, let's quickly move. Let's quickly move on so that we can set that shape in this image size. Let's see. Let's change it to 980. Let's see. Okay. I guess this is alright. I guess this is alright. Okay. Okay, so bad. Okay, so the first thing we have there, look at back to work 2017 Thursday, May 18. Okay, let's insert a shape now because the shape is here. Let's insert a shape. Okay, great. Okay, so that's great. Okay, take it down. Okay. I guess this is okay now. Okay, so you change the color. Now. Then the plus sign. Let's go here and pick the color. This color. Okay. Great. Okay, so you can see that we've gotten this. Let me try something. Okay, I want to try something. Okay, let's leave it this way. I wanted to try if it will have a slick, a shiny look. Okay, so let's move on to adding the text. Back to work. Okay, back to okay. So let's go quickly and change the font. Let's see if the font that I can suit it. Now change the font. Let's see a font. No, let's just look for okay. This can go. Alright, this can go. Yes, this can go. Okay, so you copy, then edit, work. Let's use 2020. You understand? Okay. So Thursday, May 18. Okay, let's use Friday. Let's is Friday. Okay. Let's copy. Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, we've gotten this. So the next thing now is to look very well. You can see a picture over there. So let's just insert the picture I downloaded. You can download pictures from Google. There's no issue with that. So let me just insert. Okay, let me use this. Okay, that's great. Okay, take it down a little. Okay, I guess it's okay now. So let's lock them. Let's lock these things. Okay, yeah, great. So now you can see that the background is white. So what you need to do now is to make the background white now. Okay, that's great. Okay, there's one thing we have to do now. You can see these symbols or these logos at the bottom. So I don't want to use anybody's logo. I will just replace this logo with social media icons. Understand? So that So let me just go quickly and import them. Okay, so that I just add them. If you have your logo, you can add. If you have your logo, you can add it. Add them. Okay, so these are the stuffs. So let me check. No. just or you can equally say B. Say I just have something like this. Let's take it out. I hope that this is so it depends. You can put anything in place of this social icon. I don't know what that is logo. You understand? So you can just use these stuffs. You understand? And your design is ready. Okay, thank you very much for staying up to this moment with us. Okay, just click on the subscribe icon, drop your comment at the comment section, and give your review. It will help a lot in promoting us. Thanks. FM Technology loves you guys. Don't forget, hit on the subscribe button and subscribe. We also can provide you websites, professional websites, and any kind of design you want at the best rate. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.